What the F is up, YouTube? Now we're transitioning from the Pringles era to the Max era. Here he is.
Max, look! Who's that, Max? Who's that? Oh.
Oh my god, I don't know. We're both wearing black. I don't think you can see us, hopefully. Look, that's better. Taking Max on the walk. They're over there. She's taking his pre-walk. Because, Max! Come! Come here, Max! Come here! Max, come! He runs sideways. We're taking him on his pre-walk. Just in case he poo-poos. To the Starbucks. Waiting for dessert. Where is Teacher Kimberly?
Oh, Teacher Kimberly.
Oh. That's... Oh. Get in, Max. Yeah. Oh my lord. Hi, Max. Hi, boy. Hi, Chris.
It has a reflection of what the sky is.
It like doesn't. I like.
Is it the other way around?
There's me taking more again.
So the ocean isn't blue? Oh, it is. You know, so is it? But
I did the stickers.
at the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 tree.
You got two?
We both get one.
Okay, we'll do this in the car. We'll do it in the car.
We're opening our stickers. They look not cute. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, mine's gross. Yours looks cool. What the heck? That'd be a dope tattoo.
It's a soap block tango. We're doing CVS things. Pew, pew, pew. This is another single. She's calling Big Brother because she needs to get radish.
Yeah. But also if they have
Come here. Come here. I don't know why you keep drinking Coke.
it looks so cold.
It is really cold. It tastes really good.
Christian!
Max, come. Chris, call Max. Come, Max, come on. He's looking at you like you're a dummy. You are so right, Mr. Dale. Look at him. He shot it. God, you're clenching my hand, Max. You're so romantic. Watch, relax. What does she have? What does she have? Oh my God, look, he's clenching.
do it.
His feet look
This
so
is worse
cute.
than the freaking movie.
What? Max is barking.
The door. Don't do it. He's getting so upset. Don't do it.
Max, respond. Jesus Christ. She's been opening that door for so long.
It's so hard. You didn't do it. I thought he was gonna bark.
Miss Keisha. Sister Miss Keisha. Sister Miss Keisha.
Keisha, oh my god, she fucking dead.
You see his hands, Mom?
Max. Your turn.
That means he wants more.
Your turn. Max, more? Max, you want some more?
He might dig again.
Here's
Did it.
Max holding his paws, so cute. Sister Flash. Sister Flash him. Sister Flash his feet. That. Oh my goodness, Max. Look at your little paws.
About his underpaws.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Are they normally that small? He felt exposed.
Yeah. He's like, hold on.
Are they usually thinner? Oh, you're so cute, man. I'm petting the puppy. He looks so cute. Watch Max. I think he likes Necros. You like Necros? Good boy, Max. Oh my god, sexy guy.
Oh, Max, look at your beard.
Look at his feet.
Your little beard. You're, you're so handsome. Your little tuxedo.
His little paws. Sit. Poop bags. This is your poop bags. Max. The heck, where's your thing? Yeah. You so excited? He's getting ready for a walk. Max. Sit. Oh my god, you look so far away. You wanna go on a walk? Sit.
Don't forget to take them.
Sit.
No, he's not. He's like, oh, you got it, you got it.
You went cross-eyed. Oh,
Watch out for your teeth.
my teeth.
No, his teeth.
The dog cause sister stopped giving him treats. Now she's playing with him with the tug of war play game. Oh.
I said focus. Hop. Get your grip on it. You got your grip? Yeah? Okay. You ain't got no teeth.
You're annoying him. This is funny. Keep doing. Oh. Soft kitty, warm kitty.
Oh, it's in there already. You have it.
We have to.
You can laugh at it.
Oh my goodness. She's still so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Max. Do you want to play? Huh? Dad, I think the dog wants to play. Ready? Max, it's just a show. It's okay, you're okay, yay, Max. He's fine. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute, Max. Oh my god. Oh my god, Max. Oh my god, stay there. No, he did not just do that. You are an angel. Oh, let's show the world your teeth, Max. Come here. Oh, beautiful boy. Beautiful boy you are, Max. Oh, that's my Max. He's kid of dings. I'm yeah. My sister just Beatty looks like a bowl. Sister, turn around.
Oh, is that really necessary, Nick?
Who's your good boy, Max? Who's a patient boy? Max, you wanna go on a walk? Oh my god, if you didn't drive, that's so cute.
He's swimming towards it.
Oh, there's two. What if they're actually saying, get off my rock, Gerald?
Max, you saw
Like something you'd see out of them. Yeah, Max at the dog park. Yeah, he won't go too far. Yeah, because there's a gate. Yeah, and no hate to the people with the big backyards. But we have to go far from our home. Yeah, he's playing and he wants to go to the plaything.
really bad.
His recall's bad. Max, come here or else. Come, Max. Come here. Come here, sit. Max, you are so close, Max. Yeah. Why are you going so slow?
Bye, Max.
Desiree's playing Beat Saber and Max is just sitting right next to her. Are you sitting behind Desiree?
Damn it.
Sister,
Yeah.
look. He's sitting right. A couple hours later. Hi, Max. Hi, buddy. Hi, Max. What? Sit. Oh, you're doing that. Don't look in the camera, Max. I don't even know if I'm getting him. What? Max, come. Max. Good boy. Change the second I start recording. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Who's a good boy, Max? Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Come on, Max. We're leaving now. We're gonna open up the gate. And what the hell? How do he work this thing? Can you?
Oh, look cute, look cute. Come on. Look cute. Max.
He looks scared.
Max, look.
Max, one treat. One treat. Going on a walk around the block. Sing it, sister. Yeah, sing it, sister. They weren't little shits. We're taking Max on a walk. Oh, you hear the sing? He's on your jacket.
Huh? Ah! You're too much, Maximus.
I know. Who's the best boy? Goodbye, man. We're leaving on a